Why spend money on expensive Valentine's Day cards when you can create your own? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to design a beautiful, personalized Valentine's Day card using Canva. Then send it online or share it on your social media page to spread the love. Now let's get started. So guys, when you're logged into your Canva account, you're going to go to custom size. I'm going to use 5 by 5, okay? And then I'm going to change the color to a blue, okay? This blue here. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to elements, type in Valentine's Day hearts. I'm going to click on graphics and I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to choose these hearts here. I'm going to reduce the size of them. Okay, then I'm going to copy and paste these Valentine Day hearts, okay, across the bottom of the page, okay. Gonna flip this one around horizontal, and then I'm gonna do this, okay. Slide it over. Okay guys, we're gonna type in shapes to the left, and we're just gonna find some shapes on the graphics, okay. I'm gonna scroll down till I find a shape that I like. So I like this one right here, and I'm going to turn it around, and I'm going to change the color to like a brown over here. Okay guys, so next thing we're going to do is enlarge this. I'm going to turn it around, okay, and then I'm going to drag it to the bottom, okay. Just keep expanding it. I'm trying to get it all the way across. All right, I'm going to right click. I'm going to send it backwards under layers, okay. Okay guys, so the next thing we want to do is go to grass. Type in grass under elements. All right, and we're going to click on graphics, and you're going to scroll down till you find one that you like. So I like this one right here, okay. I'm going to drag it across. Okay guys, so I'm just going to reduce this and then we're going to send it backwards, okay. Layer it backwards. All right. Okay guys, the next thing we want to do is we're going to go get a car. So I'm going to put Valentine's Day car, and I'm going to click on the graphics, and I'm going to choose this one right here, okay. Going to bring this over some. We're going to decrease this right here guys. I'm just going to drag it over here some, and then guys we're going to copy and paste, and we're going to drag it over here, okay. And then we're going to layer it and send it backwards, okay. I'm going to bring it down some. Okay guys, when that's done, we're going to reduce the size of this truck some, okay. And we're going to bring it down. Okay guys, so the next thing we want to do is go back to grass. Let's try to find out some flowers, okay, under graphics. All right. And so I like these flowers right here. And I'm going to make them smaller. And I'm going to be copying and pasting. Okay. Just copy and pasting. And then I'm going to drag them over here as well. And I'm going to be copying and pasting again. Dragging it over here. Alright, bringing it up some. Breaking these up some. Okay, guys, so once we have the flowers in place, next thing we want to do is we're going to go to click on the truck, and we're going to go to edit because we're going to erase some of these hearts. Okay, so let's erase this one right here and this one right here. Okay, and just click erase, and we'll wait a few seconds till it's done. Okay, guys, so this is how it looks. The next thing we want to do is we're going to type in Valentine's Day. Okay, we're going to find the word in graphics, and so I like this one right here. I'm going to reduce the size of it. Okay, center it. So guys, that looks pretty good to me. You can go to the right corner, click share, and you can download it as a PNG. So guys, now that you know how to create a Valentine's Day card from scratch using Canva, now go ahead and share it online and send it to someone special, or even print it out for a personal touch. Guys, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Until the next time, thrive with Darlette.